Another a clock in Hebbden Bridge, but I don't know what it does that. So that's where it is. Ah. It's on the side of a building, isn't it? I don't know if it strikes or not. I don't know whether the clock strikes or not. I have to just move off the road and then you don't get knocked down. It's very low down, isn't it? So it's a well timing clock. It's in Hebbden Bridge town centre at. It's moving those world timers around. So it's near the shoulder of Newton pubs and bridges in Hebbden Bridge. Yep. Very low down, isn't it?
Although you get like a proper
I don't know whether it does strike or not and play. I don't know if it does that or not. I don't know whether it does any chimes. Oh yes, you can have this on my YouTube channel, definitely. Yeah, absolutely. So that world timer spins round with it to make it move.
You're on the right then, lads, aren't you? Yes, that's Burnley, from you.
I'm glad I found this. So it's near some bridges and some lovely country green. There's a clock over there. Hebbden Bridge Town Hall is that over there, but I don't think it's got bells in it or electronic bells. I think it just tells the time, does that. Aye.
Hey, what are you filming? Hey! See the file? No.
Taking cells. Wait. Are you talking to you? No. Right, let's get back over here before. See if it does it. I don't know. I don't know if it chimes or not, this big clock. I don't know. It's a lovely blue clock, isn't it? Yep. it. Just keep your camcorder down. Yeah. Due to striking it. I don't know if it is or not. Right. I'm going to video it again because I don't know if it does strike. I don't know. I don't know if this does strike or not, or whether it chimes or strikes. I don't know. I've only seen it a couple of times, but I'll definitely video it for you. There's sort of like a world timer going around it, and it's making them spin around. We'll see if it chimes at 5. If it doesn't, then we know it doesn't.
Plus, I hope I didn't 20 quid as well.
Pardon? It's a big one.
Have a coffee, yeah?
I don't know if it chimes this one. I don't know. See. What about the noise of them over there? I don't think it's going to do anything. I don't think so, but let's hang on another minute and see if it does strike, but I doubt it. This is Hebbden Bridge's town clock. It doesn't. I don't think it chimes at all, this one. I think it's just electronically spun round. Right. I think that's it, I'm afraid. I don't think it's going to do any.